As you all know, when the university was created, one of the founding principles for the university was to grow stronger relationships with industry and to be much more responsive to industry needs. And things like this allow us to learn more about what industry needs are to grow those relationships, and so we appreciate all of you coming.
Our students get into project design from the first year, from the freshman year. So what do we want to do for the future is really to continue the interdisciplinary style. We want to work with you on what is needed and continue that. We want to be working across the boundaries of the degrees. And then really continue our culture, which is applied research and problem solving with the industry partners.
Today is an opportunity for our industry partners to come and visit the university, and also prospective partners, really companies that are looking to access our student and faculty talent here at the university, and an opportunity for them to see us in action. It's a day that classes are going on as we have this event, but really to see our students in action. And it's a group that are really interested in hiring students for internship positions, for our graduates for full-time employment. Really an opportunity to get them engaged with what we're doing here at the university. We're really excited about the team that's come together today to be able to develop this event, but also the participants that are here and the energy that they bring to the university.
We have a great need to hire technologists in this area, and so we are really excited about the opportunity to take kids out of Florida Polytechnic and put them into the Nielsen community.
We're really looking for the next generation of product engineers. We believe that students from schools such as Florida Polytechnic can kind of help us bridge the gap between the experience of machinists and all these new technological advancements that are coming along.
Really what Florida Polytechnic has been able to do is kind of set the standard for the next generation. Polytech is developing a curriculum that will open doors that the typical basic university graduate has no exposure to.
Thinking about our distribution operations and our supply chain functions, we've got 9 major distribution centers, 27 warehouses all across the Southeast, and the ability to bring in high caliber students to help us manage that is something that we've looked forward to for a long time. Polytechnic gives us an opportunity to hire some really high caliber students from a local university, and it's an opportunity that, being based in Polk County, we really haven't had before.
This really gives you an opportunity to have some exposure and some partnering with the industry, that you're kind of catering the students coming out for the businesses that you are involved in.
We could all actually use students and professor pairings, even whilst they're in school, in ways to come and solve problems for us.
We're a heavy consumer of technology talent and skills in the Florida market. Whilst we operate out of 29 countries around the world, most of our core capabilities are headquartered here and derived in the Florida marketplace. And tech talent is a constant challenge, but we see Florida Poly being myopically focused on the STEM environment and the more technology and science aspects of education, and we think we can have probably an even greater level of involvement, participation and influence that in time will give students opportunities with us and with our peers in the market, that they are open to and looking for industry's influence in defining the syllabus, in defining the way the school operates. That learning desire that we're seeing in the leadership from the get-go is very encouraging to us, and will attract an increased level of support and attention and participation from us.